Looking for the best Easter DIY craft kits to make this holiday extra special? From egg decorating to festive handmade creations, we've got the perfect kits to bring out your creativity. Stick around as we explore the top Easter craft kits that are fun for all ages. If you're interested in any of the Easter DIY craft kits featured in this video, check out the links in the description to learn more or make a purchase. Let's get crafting. Easter is a time for family, fun, and creativity, and one of the most beloved traditions is decorating Easter eggs. If you're looking for a way to take your egg decorating to the next level, the PAAS Marble Easter Egg Decorating Kit is a fantastic choice. This kit allows you to create beautiful, swirled, marbleized eggs that look like miniature works of art. In this video, we'll explore what's inside the kit, how to use it, and why it's a great way to add a creative touch to your Easter celebrations. Let's get started. The PAAS Marble Easter Egg Decorating Kit is a specialty dyeing kit that helps you create vibrant, swirling marble patterns on your eggs. Unlike traditional dyeing methods that produce solid colors, this kit blends multiple shades together to create a unique and eye-catching effect. What's inside the kit? 6 vibrant liquid dyes. These special dyes are designed to create the marbling effect. Color mixing tray helps you swirl the dyes together for a multicolored look. Gloves and egg dippers keeps hands clean while handling dyed eggs. Egg stands and drying tray allows eggs to dry without smudging. Easy to follow instructions, step-by-step guidance for perfect results. This kit is designed to be fun, easy, and mess-free, making it perfect for kids and adults alike. Creating beautifully marbled eggs is simple with this kit. Here's how it works. Start with hard-boiled or hollowed-out eggs for best results. Let them cool completely before dyeing to ensure the colors adhere properly. Use the color mixing tray to pour in different dye colors. Add a few drops of oil or vinegar, as instructed, to create the swirling effect. Wear the included gloves to keep hands clean. Use the egg dipper to gently roll the egg through the swirled dye mixture. The dyes will mix and create a one-of-a-kind marbleized pattern on each egg. Place the eggs on the included drying tray or an egg stand. Once dry, you can add additional layers or designs for more customization. This process is fast, easy, and fun for all ages, making it an exciting Easter activity for the whole family. The PAAS Marble Easter Egg Decorating Kit stands out because of its unique and creative designs. No two eggs will look the same. Easy and safe for kids, the non-toxic dyes make it great for family fun. Perfect for Easter decorations. Use your eggs in baskets, centerpieces, or egg hunts. A fun tradition, a new way to enjoy egg decorating beyond the usual solid colors. The PAAS Marble Easter Egg Decorating Kit brings creativity and excitement to your Easter celebrations. With swirling colors, easy-to-use tools, and mess-free fun, it's a must-have for families looking to make this Easter extra special. Ready to create stunning marbleized eggs? Click the link in the description to grab your kit today. Easter is a time for family, fun, and creativity, and one of the most exciting traditions is decorating Easter eggs. If you're looking for a mess-free, fun, and unique way to decorate eggs, the Eggmazing Egg Decorator Kit is a game-changer. Unlike traditional dyeing methods, this electric spinning egg decorator allows you to create intricate, colorful designs with ease. In this video, we'll explore how the Eggmazing Egg Decorator works, what's included in the kit, and why it's a must-have for Easter celebrations. Let's get started. The Eggmazing Egg Decorator is an innovative, battery-operated egg decorating kit that makes decorating eggs easy and mess-free. Instead of using dyes and messy cups, this kit lets you use vibrant, non-toxic markers while the egg spins inside the device. Eggmazing Egg Decorating Machine, a battery-powered device that spins eggs for precise designs. Colorful non-toxic markers. The kit comes with 8 vibrant markers to create endless designs. Easy to use design. Just place an egg inside, turn it on, and start decorating. Mess-free fun. No dyes, no spills, and no stained hands. This kit is perfect for kids and adults alike, making egg decorating a stress-free and creative experience. One of the best things about this kit is how simple and fun it is to use. Here's how it works. The Eggmazing Egg Decorator requires 4 Ah batteries, not included. Make sure your device is powered up and ready to go. Use a hard-boiled egg or a plastic egg for decorating. Gently place it into the spinning machine, ensuring a snug fit. Switch on the machine, and the egg will start spinning smoothly. Use the included markers to draw patterns, stripes, or creative designs while the egg rotates. Once you're satisfied with your design, let the ink dry for a few minutes. Display your decorated eggs as part of your Easter decorations, egg hunts, or holiday gifts. The Eggmazing Egg Decorator is a fantastic alternative to traditional egg dyeing. Here's why it's so popular. Mess-free and kid-friendly. No spills, no stains, and no need for vinegar or dyes. Fun for all ages, kids, teens, and adults can all enjoy decorating eggs with ease. Reusable and long-lasting. Use it year after year for Easter celebrations. Endless creativity. Unlike die kits, you can create intricate patterns, stripes, and custom designs. Perfect for Easter activities. Great for family gatherings, classrooms, or crafting parties. The Eggmazing Egg Decorator Kit takes Easter egg decorating to the next level. With its easy-to-use, mess-free design and endless creative possibilities, it's a must-have for families looking to make Easter extra special. Ready to create Eggmazing designs? Click the link in the description to grab your kit today. Easter is a time for fun, family, and creativity, and nothing captures the holiday spirit quite like decorating Easter eggs. If you're looking for an all-in-one kit packed with everything you need to create colorful, unique, and festive eggs, the Clever Kit's 47-piece Easter egg die decorating kit is a fantastic choice. With a variety of dies, stickers, brushes, and accessories, this kit offers endless possibilities for egg decorating fun. In this video, we'll explore what's inside the kit, how to use it, and why it's a must-have for Easter celebrations. Let's get started. This all-in-one egg decorating kit comes with everything you need to transform plain eggs into vibrant, creative works of art. Here's what's inside. Colorful egg dyes, a variety of bright, non-toxic dyes to bring your eggs to life. Egg dippers and stands, tools to help you dip eggs easily and keep them clean while drying. Decorative stickers and stencils, fun Easter-themed stickers and patterns for extra customization. Glitter and paintbrushes. Add a sparkly touch or hand paint your designs with precision. Wax crayons and sponges, create unique, textured or resist dye designs. Plastic tablecloth, keeps your workspace mess-free for stress-free decorating. With 47 pieces in total, this kit is perfect for kids and adults alike and offers a huge variety of ways to decorate your eggs. Decorating Easter eggs with this kit is fun, simple, and creative. Here's how to use it step by step. Hard boil your eggs and let them cool completely before decorating. You can also use wooden or plastic eggs if you want your designs to last longer. Lay out the plastic tablecloth to protect your surfaces from spills. Arrange your dies, stickers, glitter, and brushes so everything is easy to access. Mix the egg dye tablets with water and vinegar to create vibrant colors. Use the included egg dipper to lower your eggs into the dye and let them soak for a few minutes. Experiment with different colors, patterns, or even double dipping for a fun effect. Use stickers, stencils, and wax crayons to add patterns and designs. Add glitter for a shimmering touch or hand paint details with the included brushes. Try using the sponges to create cool textured effects. Once decorated, place your eggs on the drying stand to avoid smudging. When dry, display them in a basket, use them for an egg hunt, or add them to your Easter centerpiece. This kit stands out from other egg decorating sets because of its all-in-one convenience. No need to buy separate dies, stickers, or tools. This kit has it all. Perfect for all ages. Whether you're a kid or an adult, this kit offers something fun for everyone. Mess-free fun. Comes with a protective tablecloth and easy-to-use tools. Endless creativity. Mix and match colors, textures, and designs for unique Easter eggs. Great for group activities. With 47 pieces, this kit is perfect for families, classrooms, and Easter parties. The Clever Kit's 47-piece Easter egg die decorating kit makes egg decorating more exciting and creative than ever. With dies, stickers, brushes, glitter, and more, it's the perfect kit for families, kids, and crafters looking to make Easter extra special. Want to create stunning Easter eggs this year? Click the link in the description to grab your kit today. Easter is all about fun, family, and creativity, and what better way to celebrate than by decorating your very own personalized Easter eggs? If you're looking for a way to make your Easter extra special, the personalized Easter egg painting kit is the perfect choice. Unlike traditional die kits, this painting kit allows you to customize each egg with hand-painted designs, names, and patterns, making it a fantastic keepsake for years to come. In this video, we'll explore what's inside the kit, how to use it, and why it's a must-have for your Easter celebrations. Let's get started. This all-in-one kit is designed to make egg decorating easy, fun, and truly unique. It comes with everything you need to create stunning hand-painted Easter eggs. Here's what's inside. Wooden or ceramic eggs. Unlike traditional boiled eggs, these are durable and reusable for long-lasting decorations. Acrylic paints in multiple colors, vibrant, fast-drying, and safe for all ages. Fine tip and broad paintbrushes, ideal for detailed lettering, patterns, and full-color designs. Personalization stencils, helps you add names, initials, or fun designs with ease. Glitter, stickers, and decorative elements, extra materials to enhance your egg designs. Paint palette and water cup, for mixing colors and keeping things organized. With this versatile painting kit, you can create eggs that are unique to you and your family, making Easter even more memorable. Using this kit is easy and fun for all ages. Follow these steps to create stunning hand-painted Easter eggs. Lay down a protective table covering to keep your workspace clean. Arrange your paints, brushes, and decorations so they're easy to access. If your kit includes wooden or ceramic eggs, decide whether to paint a solid base color or leave them natural. Use a broad paintbrush to apply a background color and let it dry before adding details. Use the stencils to paint names, initials, or patterns onto the eggs. Freehand designs like florals, polka dots, or Easter-themed artwork for a creative touch. Use the fine tip brush for delicate details and lettering. Add glitter, stickers, or accents to give your egg a unique sparkle. Let your eggs fully dry before handling or displaying them. Once your eggs are dry, display them in a basket, hang them as decorations, or gift them to loved ones. The personalized Easter egg painting kit is a fantastic alternative to traditional egg dyeing kits because it offers a unique and personal touch. Customize each egg with names, initials, and hand-painted designs. Reusable and long-lasting. Unlike dyed eggs, these wooden or ceramic eggs can be kept as keepsakes. Mess-free and safe for kids, no dye spills. Non-toxic paints and easy cleanup make it great for children. Fun for all ages, perfect for kids, adults, and families looking for a creative Easter tradition. Great for Easter gifts and home decor. Hand-painted eggs make beautiful decorations or personalized gifts. The personalized Easter egg painting kit lets you create unique, hand-painted eggs that reflect your creativity and personal touch. Whether you're decorating with kids, making a special gift, or simply having fun, this kit is a must-have for Easter celebrations. Ready to create beautiful, one-of-a-kind Easter eggs? Click the link in the description to get your kit today. Easter is a time of joy, creativity, and fun-filled activities. If you're looking for a way to bring the holiday spirit into your home, the DIY Foam Easter Wreath Craft Kit is the perfect project. This kit allows you to create colorful, festive Easter wreaths using foam cutouts, stickers, and decorations, making it ideal for kids, families, classrooms, or craft lovers. In today's video, we'll explore what's inside this kit, how to use it, and why it's a fantastic choice for Easter crafting. Let's get started. This all-in-one craft set comes with everything you need to design a fun, festive Easter wreath to hang on your door, wall, or classroom. Here's what's inside. Foam wreath base. The sturdy base serves as the foundation for your decorations. Easter-themed foam cutouts. Cute shapes like bunnies, eggs, chicks, carrots, and flowers. Self-adhesive stickers. No glue needed. These peel and stick decorations make crafting easy. Letter stickers and personalization options. Add your name, Happy Easter, message, or custom greetings. Ribbons and hanging string. Easily hang your finished wreath anywhere you like. Glitter, pom-poms, and accessories. Extra elements to give your wreath a playful and creative touch. With everything included in one kit, this craft is mess-free, easy to assemble, and great for all ages. This craft kit is simple, fun, and doesn't require scissors or glue, making it perfect for kids and beginners. Lay out all the foam cutouts, stickers, and decorations. Decide on a color theme and design before you start assembling. Choose your favorite foam shapes and begin placing them around the wreath base. Use the self-adhesive stickers to attach bunnies, eggs, and flowers in a fun pattern. Experiment with layering decorations to create depth and texture. Use the letter stickers to add a custom message like Happy Easter or your family's name. Attach glitter, pom-poms, or ribbons for extra flair. Once your design is complete, loop the included ribbon or string through the top. Make sure it's secure so you can easily hang your wreath on a door, wall, or window. Once finished, find the perfect place to showcase your handmade Easter decoration. These wreaths also make great gifts or classroom projects. This craft kit is a wonderful way to celebrate Easter while encouraging creativity and hands-on fun. Here's why it's a great choice. Perfect for all ages, simple enough for young kids while still fun for adults. Mess-free and easy to use, no glue, no cutting, just peel, stick, and create. Great for family bonding, a fun activity to do with kids, siblings, or friends. Reusable and lightweight, foam decorations last longer than paper crafts and can be saved for next year. Perfect for Easter parties and classroom projects, ideal for group activities, Easter events, or school crafts. The DIY Foam Easter Wreath Craft Kit is a fantastic way to bring Easter cheer into your home while letting your creativity shine. Whether you're crafting with kids, decorating your space, or making a personalized Easter gift, this kit has everything you need for a fun and festive holiday project. Want to create your own Easter wreath? Click the link in the description to get your kit today. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this fun Easter craft idea. If you're interested in getting your own kit, be sure to check the links in the description for purchase. And don't forget to subscribe for more DIY projects, holiday crafts, and creative ideas. See you in the next video.